Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? If you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times in the past, although it's been a few days since the last update I did, so definitely want to get things updated here. Is that the price is now sitting at a pretty historic level and a very important level as far as the technical chart is concerned, and that's right here at $1.60. Well, why is $1.60 so important? Let me squeeze this down here just to offer up a little bit more context. So just keep in mind, $1.60, that is a low that has not been seen for quite a while. But I'll zoom back in, and $1.60, like I said, very important, and so far so good. So by no means am I saying that this is for sure going to fail or anything like that. My point is that historically speaking, it's been a good level of support recently, both there, and then you fast forward to today, and once again, $1.60 is doing a good job of holding that support. And that's very important because, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but if the price were to drop down below $1.60, so price comes down here and then just continues on down, at that point, it's putting the price literally at a location that has not been seen for a very long time. Once again, squeeze it back down. I mean, it's been a long time since the price has been down around that area. And then the other problem with that is, and this isn't, there's no such thing as a guarantee, so, you can't say that this is for sure happening, but the next overall level of support, not until down around that $1.52-ish level. So like I said, not a guarantee that if $1.60 fails, it's dropping, straight down to $1.52 within minutes, but it also would not be shocking at all to see the price then drift down to the $1.52-ish range, if not even lower than that. But again, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because, $1.60 is holding that support very nicely, but you certainly want to, see that happen and continue to happen going forward for the reasons just discussed. Now, the other interesting area about this is from more so a trading perspective, and that's the fact that the last couple of times the price has been down around that range, there's been some nice little bounces to the upside. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has bounced before does not mean that for sure it's bouncing again. Now, would that be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all, but myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that for sure a bounce is going to happen. In the event, though, there is some, upwards price movement as far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep a close eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period moving average. You can see right there, rejected the price, and then earlier today rejected the price. So I'm not saying that level can't be broken, just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us here, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but then be able to start to get some closes and stay up above it. So all in all, not a great day, but $1.60 is holding, so we'll see if that can ultimately produce some sort of bounce or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.